In a world full of noise, where everyone's tuned into everything, sometimes the real connection begins when you tune into yourself. Whether you're chilling at home, pushing limits, or on the move, your vibe deserves its own beat. With powerful bass, crisp sound, and comfort that moves with you. BoAT headphones aren't just devices, they are your personal soundtrack. From jamming out to zoning in, BoAT helps you plug into focus, freedom, and fun. So go ahead, escape the noise, and plug into something that's truly you. BoAT, plug into you. Available now on Amazon, Flipkart, and boatlifestyle.com.